Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Hassan Pratoy from Talented Language Institute and welcome to another session of Talented Online Language Club. Today we have a conversation session and with an interesting topic. Before that, we have a quiz section based on the article we read in the previous day, which is about the benefits of drinking water, adequate water every day. So without wasting time, we're gonna jump right into the quiz section and let's see how our members are doing. Okay. সো প্রথমেই আমাদের যে ইয়াটা আছে কুইজটা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে এডিকুইটলি একটা শব্দ আমরা পেয়েছিলাম পর্যাপ্তভাবে অ্যাবসলিউটলি কারেক্ট এভারেজ AVERAGE এভারেজ হোয়াটস দ্য মিনিং অফ ইট গড়ে তবে এভারেজ পারসন বলা হয়েছে এখানে তার মানে কি এভারেজ পারসন মানে প্রতিটি মানুষ বা গড়ে প্রত্যেক মানুষের এতটুকু বেশিরভাগ মানুষের ক্ষেত্রে গাইডলাইন একটা শব্দ আছে GUIDELIN এই গাইডলাইন এই যে আমাদের এখন বলে যে আমাদের গাইডলাইন দেওয়া হচ্ছে সো গাইডলাইন মানে কি দিক নির্দেশনা ওকে ওকে তারপর হচ্ছে গ্যারান্টি শব্দটার অর্থ কি এটা বলুন নিশ্চয়তা absolutely correct vigorous sorry জোরালো ভাবে বা তীব্র ভাবে যেটাকে বলে তারপর হচ্ছে প্লাম্পনেস এই শব্দটা পেয়েছিলাম প্লাম্পনেস নাদুস নুদুস তারপর হচ্ছে প্রোন PRONE প্রবণতা ক্র্যাম্পিং CRAMPING হ্যাঁ রগে টান খাওয়া যেটাকে বলে সেটা হচ্ছে ক্র্যাম্পিং তারপর হচ্ছে ইন্টেন্সিটি তীব্রতা অ্যাবসলিউটলি কারেক্ট তারপর হচ্ছে ওকে মিনারেলস what's the meaning of it খনিজ হ্যাঁ তারপর হচ্ছে নিউট্রিশন পুষ্টি আচ্ছা পুষ্টিগুণ তারপর হচ্ছে কনসেন্ট্রেট মনোযোগী না এখানে হচ্ছে মিনারেল গুলো কনসেন্ট্রেট করছে ঘনীভূত করা yes absolutely correct concentrate হচ্ছে ঘনীভূত করা তারপর হচ্ছে ওকে sluggish what's the meaning of it অলসতা you will feel sluggish মানে হচ্ছে তুমি অলসতা বোধ করবে ওকে তারপর হচ্ছে ওকে wrinkles বয়সের ছাপ চামড়া কুচকে যাওয়া চামড়ায় ভাঁজ যেটা হ্যাঁ চামড়া কুচকানো শ্রিঙ্ক শব্দটার অর্থ কি শ্রিঙ্ক SHRINK শ্রিঙ্ক হচ্ছে সংকুচিত চাইতে ভালো হবে চামড়ার কথা যেহেতু বলা হয়েছে কুচকে যাওয়া তারপর হচ্ছে উইদার WITHER উইদার বিবর্ণ হওয়া বা ফ্যাকাশে হয়ে যাওয়া তারপর হচ্ছে মিরাকুলাস অলৌকিকভাবে সার্টেইন CERTAIN নির্দিষ্ট ডাইজেস্টিভ সিস্টেম হ্যাঁ সার্টেন নির্দিষ্ট ডাইজেস্টিভ সিস্টেম আমাদের যে বডি পার্টস গুলোকে পরিপাকতন্ত্র ডাইজেস্টিভ সিস্টেম হচ্ছে পরিপাকতন্ত্র ওকে ফ্লুইড মানে কি ফ্লুইড FLUID ফ্লুইড হচ্ছে তরল ওকে তারপর হচ্ছে প্যাথোজেন PATHOGEN প্যাথোজেন এইটা একটা ওয়ার্ড যেটা আপনারা এখন খুব কমন পাবেন বায়ুবাহিত জীবাণু যেটা বায়ুবাহিত যেটা জীবাণু সেটা হচ্ছে প্যাথোজেন। ওকে, এবার হচ্ছে সিগন্যাল শব্দটার অর্থ কি? নির্দেশনা বা সংকেত। সংকেত শব্দটা ভালো যায়। তারপর হচ্ছে হেডেক। হেডেক মাথা ব্যথা। ড্যাম্প, DAMP, ড্যাম্প। এখানে হচ্ছে ভেজা অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে। এমনিতে ড্যাম্প মানে স্যাঁতস্যাঁতেও হয়, কপাল তো স্যাঁতস্যাঁতে হবে না, একটু ভেজা কপাল থাকবে আর কি। তারপর হচ্ছে সোয়েট, SWEAT। ওকে, এক্সহশন, EXHUSTION, এক্সহশন, যেটার সিনোনিম হচ্ছে ফ্যাটিগ, অবসাদ বা ক্লান্তি। ক্লান্তি বা অবসাদ। স্ট্রেইন, STRAIN, স্ট্রেইন। সরি, ক্যাচ করতে পারিনি, আবার। চাপ, চাপ, টান, একটা এক্সট্রা চাপ বা টান পড়া। এই স্ট্রেইনটা আপনি বা স্ট্রেস, এই দুটো শব্দ ব্যবহার করতে পারেন আজকের কনভারসেশনে। এফিশিয়েন্টলি, দক্ষভাবে, হ্যাঁ, দক্ষতার সাথে, ইয়েস, এটা শুনতে যাচ্ছিলাম। এফিশিয়েন্সি হচ্ছে দক্ষতা, এফিশিয়েন্টলি যখন অ্যাডভার্বে চলে যাব তখন দক্ষতার সাথে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। অ্যান্ড মোটামুটি আমরা অনেকগুলো ভোকাবুলারি ক্যাচ করতে পেরেছি, দ্যাটস এ গুড সাইন। কিছু কিছু ধরতে পারিনি, ইনশাল্লাহ এগুলো ধরতে পারবো। সো এখন চলে যাব আমাদের কনভারসেশনে অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল। অ্যান্ড কনভারসেশনের জন্য বলেছিলাম যে সাথী ম্যাম এবং মিস্টার মনিরকে রেডি থাকতে। সো আর ইউ রেডি? আজকে, হ্যাঁ, আজকে পারফরমেন্স ভালো ছিল। সো সাথী ম্যাম এবং মিস্টার মনির, আর ইউ রেডি? মিস্টার মনির, ক্যান ইউ হিয়ার মি? শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? ওকে, তাহলে মিস্টার খালেদ মাহমুদ, আপনাকে দিয়ে শুরু করি। আর হচ্ছে সাথী ম্যাম আছেন, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? সাথী ম্যাম, আই থিঙ্ক কোনো একটা ইস্যু হয়েছে। ওকে, so Mr. Khaled Mahmood and Shati ma'am, let's begin about the conversation about mental health.
Good morning, Khalid Mohammed sir. How are you?
Yes, Shati ma'am, I'm fine. Have a nice morning. What about you?
I'm also fine. So how is your day going on?
Yeah, I basically now I start a day. Now here is the 5 around the 6 o'clock. Just I wake up and now I start a day. Still now I am waiting for my full day. So as you know that our
Yes.
today topics is the mental health. So at first I
Yes.
would like to the definition what is the mental health. Mental health means emotion and
Yes.
our daily life, the physical activities coming from the also for psychology, our daily activities. I think this is the our mental health. What do you think about the
Yes.
mental health?
Yes, you are right. Yeah, our it's all related our emotion and feelings. And we should not strain to other person. And I think in our country, um, children 1 to 5 years old children are good, but 5 to 15 they are stress. Actually, mental health is not good because their guardian as well as teachers strain them. What do you think about this? Like teachers gave
Yeah, I totally agree with you. But
too
basically, in
much
our
book,
country,
actually heavy book to read them. but it's not good. I just yesterday I watched a video about American study condition system, and I watched that video. They just gave one book to a student for reading, not 10 or 11 book. And our country's kindergarten students, they reach I think 10 to 14 book. What do you think? It's actually it's not good for their mental, and it's actually strange for them. What
Yes,
do you think
basically,
about this?
yes, of course, I agree with you. Basically, I add to you something. Our child
Yes,
also have that lot of stress, and this is the become the mental health and mentality disorder. Not only child, if you saw that the younger people and the middle aged people, they also have the lot of stress. Say, for example, child have only for the educational pressure. They when go to school pressure, they have lot of books, they need to finish their work. This is the one kind of stress. But when they are the shifting their young stress, that time also
yes,
they thinking lot of bad thing, they also make the stress. And say, for example, say middle age, who are the getting the marriage and maintains the family. At this situation, as you know, that Bangladesh is the some COVID situation. This COVID situation, many guys are lost their job. Many people they
yes.
lost
It's
their
on
job.
kind of mental
Mental, so
stress.
much mental of them, because that if they don't have the work, they didn't get the earn, and they are already they are existing their family. How can they survive? This is the also one kind of mental health. So we
Yes,
need to
and
work on it.
that's this is the reason most of the younger affected drugs, I think,
Yes, of course, this is the right point
because
also.
of
And
mental
sometimes,
stress.
yeah, and sometimes they are make a decision for the suicide. This one also become from the mental health, mentally disorder. When your head are too much stress and too much pressure, that time you should think what I should do. Sometimes some are that they didn't control their self, so they are decided for the self killing or the suicide. And as you saw that the report of the first world country, America, and basically especially America, they have the one bridge. As I noticed that they have one bridge every day. Some people are go there and they make a suicide because of the why? Because of the mental health, mentally stress. So basically, we our country have we saw that the lot of the mad people, who is the basically uncontrollable, mental uncontrollable. We say that mad. We saw that the some guy they didn't wear the cloth, and sometimes they are abnormal situation, abnormal behavior. This is the become also the mental health. Is too much stress. If you think that too much thinking, depression, and you didn't survive your daily life with your family, that time also came the
Yes, and if you feel depression, that time you cannot sleep properly, and also you cannot eat properly.
yes, of course, this one also think, and you couldn't nothing if you get too much stress and too much mental health, mentally disorder. So how can become a one guy, normal one guy became a mental health or mentally disorder or one kind of mad? Say, for example, if he shocked something from somewhere, say anywhere, his family, his job, his environment, so he got the stress, and he thinking,
Yes,
overthinking, he got the mental health. And mental health means is good, every life is good. If your mentality is there, thinking is good, you're earning good, your mental physical condition is good, everyday life is going good. If your mental health is the something wrong, as I say, for example, when we was a student, we notice one story like that. If big boss he make a quarrel with his family, he came in the office, he shout is the his subordinate. So his subordinate shout to the his peon shouted to the driver. One kind of, if one person become mental health, mentally disorder or some angriness, Sorry, sir. Behavior, yes. This is the one kind of chain of command. If head guy, headman, or office boss, he got the some
Yes.
angriness, he shouted his chain of command going to the under say for road. Say driver, he shouting to the which one, the guardman, and guardman, he trying to clear the road, and he hitting the some rickshaw flavor. We knows the one kind of history. So this came why this is the one kind of mental health. So
Yes, actually, our life is not fulfilled. Actually, we everywhere we feel we can face depression and mental stress because our lacking our life on thing they are all on thing will lacking not to fulfill every person life. What do you think this about this? For example, some on need money, someone needs good score, like it.
yes, madam, basically I agree with you. I something join with you. This is the totally control up to you or up to person. So long time we discuss about the disadvantage of the mental health. Now we come to the advantage of the mental health. This is that we need to grow up, we need to hang out, we need to refresh mind. Say how can we make our refresh mind? We always make a charming, or we can go travel in the, we can enjoy our natural beauty. If we are nursing our brain, that time depression going, and it's come quite normal, quite good. So basically
Yes,
we
you're
need to
right,
work
sir.
on
But
it.
nowadays we affected mobile phone and selfie. So we whenever we go outside, we just go there for taking a picture, not refreshment. So the
This
so depression is there.
now this is the,
Sometimes they feel why this picture is not good. So I
yes,
will
this is the one
capture
kind of
this
mental
picture
health.
again.
Selfie also one kind of mental health. This is the one kind of, we say, mentally disorder. So we can do another thing. We can, if I face the mental thing or mental, hello, somebody say something. Oh, sir, just we need to finish that, sir. No problem. So, sir, basically, if we any person face the some mental stress, he should go to the doctor, and he can analysis with the psychotherapy, or he can
Yes.
make a motivational speak. He can took the motivational speak, and he can also watch from some motivational speech from the YouTube. So this is our conversation. It was a lovely subject, and this is our daily life necessary subject. So what do you think?
Yes, sir. This topic is really amazing, and I enjoy with you. And thank you. Have a nice time. Actually, our time is up.
Over, yes. We don't want to take too much time. Okay, go to the our podcast, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Give the opportunity.
Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much,
Thank you,
audience.
sir. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, thank you for such a nice conversation. I wanted to hear this. Wanted to have wanted to hear that how you would do in this situation, because mental health is a complicated issue and it has such vast sector lying around. একটা ওয়ার্ড ক্যাচ করতে পেরেছি, খুব ভালো লেগেছে খালেদ মাহমুদ সাহেবের কাছে, সেটা হচ্ছে সাবঅর্ডিনেট একটা শব্দ। আমরা আমাদের অধীনস্থ যারা আছে তাদের ক্ষেত্রে এই শব্দটা ব্যবহার করে থাকি, সাবঅর্ডিনেট। এবং উনি যে এক্সাম্পলটা দিয়েছেন যে ওই কি বলে ব্যবহারের দুষ্টচক্র, সেটা একজনের ব্যাড বিহেভিয়ার চেষ্টা করে তার সাবঅর্ডিনেটের উপর, সে তার সাবঅর্ডিনেটের উপরে, এবং দিন শেষে এটা মানে চলতেই থাকে। সো মেন্টাল হেলথ ইজ ভেরি নেসেসারি। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর দ্য কনভারসেশন। অ্যান্ড হেনা ম্যাম কি আছেন, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? হেনা ম্যাম, আর ইউ দেয়ার? ওকে, মাইক্রোফোন ইজ মিউট, আপনার মাইক্রোফোনটা মিউট আছে। সো okay, so Shumi Hassan, get ready for the next conversation. আর সুমি হাসান ম্যামের সাথে কনভারসেশন কে করবেন বলেন দেখি মেন্টাল হেলথ নিয়ে?
Sir, I'm free.
ওকে, শিওর। সো সুমি হাসান ম্যাম, ক্যান ইউ হিয়ার মি? হ্যালো, আপনার মাইক্রোফোন অন করতে হবে। Okay, I think it takes a little bit time to reach my voice to her. Shumi Hasan ma'am, are you there? শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? Okay, I think she's not available, so let's see. Mr. Mahmood Hasan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's begin. আপনাদের দুজনের কনভারসেশন শুনি মেন্টাল হেলথ নিয়ে।
Hello, Mahmood sir. How are you after a long time?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine, sir. What about you, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I'm also good. So, sir, let's start our topic. Today our topic is mental health. So, sir,
Yes.
what you know about mental health? What is
Actually, mental health depended person by person. Some person love or enjoy tourist, and some person enjoy selfie or others
sir?
activities.
I said, sir, what you know about mental health? What is mental health actually? Just give a short introduction about mental health.
Actually, mental health actually depended our emotional and psychology and social activities actually. And if we make good social activities, then our mental health is good. And if we make a bad social activities, then our mental health is bad, sir. Ma'am. And whatever what's your thinking about mental health, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I think it's a big deal. Mental health is a big issues for us. Like mental health is one of big issues for us. Because like when like our body parts, like when we feel bad, we feel sick with our body parts, then we go to doctor for that. But when we get some of problem with our mental health, then we feel shame. I don't. I think mental health is necessary to us. So, sir,
uh, yes, ma'am. I agree with you, but it's not one reason, ma'am. uh,
we are going. So, sir, we have lots of things already. So, sir, uh, how can we grow up our mental health, sir? Can you explain, please?
Actually, I
we already
share
know we
before
already
some time.
know lots of problem about our mental health, but we need to know how can we grow up with that. First, sir, how can we work up with that?
Actually, I now we grow up is a proper proper uh, co- consultation actually.
Yes, sir. Then
And if any a good person uh, our con- consulted me or as a good suggestion, and if we do this good work, actually I think it's help us for grow up our mental health.
yes, sir. It was one of point, but we have lots of points to grow up our mental health. Like, sir, we can do a good we can make a good routine for our daily life. We can talk to who can understand me. We can
Read
uh,
some book and
yes, we can do what we like actually. So, and we have to refresh our mind. Yes, sir.
Sir, ma'am, I can hear you properly.
Okay, sir. I think we can read some of funny books, or we can watch some of funny series. We can listen motivational speech. We can call uh, choiceable place. We can meet people who people like, who people can refresh us. We can we can do lots of things. First of all, we have to do some of physical exercise. Sir, our physical exercise
Yes, ma'am.
can make us perfect. Need refresh for our health, for our mental health, I think. So, sir, it was really good. So, sir, what do you think as sir, how necessary to keep a good mental health for us?
Yes, ma'am. I agree with you. Actually, every person is different, and every person have a different thinking. Uh, uh, but some activities is so related others activities. If we get good actually good behavior, then we provide a good behavior, and it's so important part of mental health, and it's yeah, it's overcome for depression actually. And if I think
Sir,
if
sir,
yes.
one of things, sir. One more thing, sir. When we going with depression,
Yes.
then we can get sleeping disorder, or we can get mental disorder. And if we are feeling like that, so we should go to doctor, and we
Uh,
should take
Actually, psychological doctor, not a doctor.
psychiatrist, sir, mental doctors and psychiatrists. Okay,
Time
sir.
is running out.
Think that it was a really, really good conversation between us, and I really learned lots of things. And inshallah, it will help me for our mental, for my mental health. So, sir, I really thank you a lot, and inshallah, we'll talk to you later. Sir, till then, take care of you. Take care of
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day. And it was a nice conversation. And I think after some time, we conversation other topics. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. It was really a wonderful conversation. You discussed about many things, like what can happen if we cannot maintain a proper mental health. So that's, I think, informative. That's an important informative thing. Anyway, for the next conversation, thank you. For the next conversation, Mr. Monir, now it's your turn. I think you have gathered some information about mental health during these topics, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. এখন দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমাদের সাথে আরো দুজন জয়েন করেছেন, মিস্টার মাসুম and মিস্টার সজীব. So, Mr. Sojib, are you there?
Actually, sir, today we are not set to, sir, we are not set to deliver our speech because right now we can buy a home from the market. We had to go to market, sir.
Okay, so
Just we are listening.
okay. So today you are gonna listen. Okay. So Hena ma'am আছেন, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? Hena ma'am or Shumi ma'am, are you there? Hello. হেনা খানম and Shumi আক্তার, আপনাদের দুজনের মাইক্রোফোন অফ করা, একটু অন করতে হবে। আপনাদের দুজনের মধ্যে কে আছেন বলো দেখি। Okay, I think they are both unavailable. Okay.
I want to give my speech.
Conversation. Today we have conversation about mental health. So, Mr. Sojib, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Monir and Mr.
Yeah.
Shojib, let's begin.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, Assalamualaikum, sir. How are you doing?
Our language club. So,
Yeah,
topics is mental health. Please tell me about mental health.
yeah. Actually, mental health is very important in nowadays because right now our country's maximum people are affected in the mental problem. There, many others diseases in the one kind of many many type of phobia actually hypophobia and this type of and we are maximum time right now we feel so much problem in our environmental problem and actually our family problem and many other things. That's why many people are right now facing in so much problem in mental. Actually, mental is totally different from the other problems. It's totally giving pressure in your brain. You just feel this in your mind, but you can't explain in the other side. And so I hope so it's a totally psychological things mental problem and when you feel you don't feel anything in good or you don't realize anything is in your life going very bad but why for the environment it's totally one kind of that's thing. I hope so.
Yes. Actually, we are passing a critical situation. Lots of there are many people, lots job. That's why uh, didn't. That's why this family didn't know income source. It is kind of mental issue. I think uh, a mental issue is a very sophisticated. Are you agree?
Problem our daily life. I believe it, and sometimes you can see some family and where some families in the problem in family problem just they don't explain in the outside, but the middle of the family they quarrel with each other and husband, wife, and many other things that did quarrel, and after that they don't feel any happiness in their daily life. They feel always some problem in their life, and they don't do anything properly for the mental problem. And sometimes some people went in the abroad, and they don't they don't able to income properly, and sometimes some people also get pressure from the office, and there's a boss from their boss, and many other ways they get a pressure. Then they feel so much pressure in mental pressure, and
Yes.
day by day is going so much high level. And some people also for this reason
Yeah.
people also going stroke and many other disaster they feel at that time. So what do you think about this opinion?
Yes, definitely agree. Actually, nowadays passing a lot of mental. When I was child, no tension, no mental pressure. But nowadays, lot of mentally pressure in my headache. So I think it is more critical situation. Uh, Actually, when I suggest you when I suffer a depression, suggest me what should I do?
Yeah, actually, when we feel depression, we should do some we should go outside for traveling and some special moment you should spend with your friends, and you should avoid the quarrel with your family members. And when if you are a job holder, then you should when your boss giving a pressure to you too much, then you just take it easy. and you should avoid, and it's day by day decrease your depression, and so always try when you feel chill mood and everything, just take it easy, then you can see it's everything just going in your head, and but you don't notice anything properly, which is important, just you take seriously, but which is you think when you think it is the totally pressure in your mind, in your daily life activities, you can't do anything properly, so you may take easy everything, and you should avoid quarrel with each others, and you never involve in the unethical work with another, and you never involve any critical situation. We should avoid always. It will be better, and you can see then your life is going easy. It's my
Yes,
opinion about this. What?
yes, and another more effective of you can go medication. Medication is more effective for
Yeah.
mentally regression.
Oh yes,
Yes,
meditation
sir.
is very important for your mental. If you have any problem, you did if you do meditation, it will be definitely better for your daily life, and you can see when after completing your meditation, then you can feel so much relaxed. You feel happiness everywhere. Important things.
Another
Okay,
psychology
sir. Thank
psychology.
you. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Inshallah, it was nice conversation to you. Inshallah, I'll meet with you again. Another topic. Bye.
It was really great conversation because you also discussed about how to get rid of mental disorders and something like that. But I didn't get a proper picture of mental health. Like, what is the definition of it, and how can we improve this kind of thing? Mostly, we talked about mental disorders and these kind of things. Okay, so conversation করা বাকি আছে কার কার? মিস্টার রাজীব আছেন, মিস্টার রাজীব আছেন এবং হচ্ছেন, আর বাকি আছে।
আমি কিন্তু আছি স্যার।
ওকে, আপনাকে খুঁজছিলাম ম্যাম, আপনাকে কনভারসেশনের জন্য খুঁজে পাওয়া যাচ্ছিল না।
বাংলাদেশ আপনাকে পাওয়া যাচ্ছিল না।
পাওয়া যাচ্ছিল না।
আমি বড় প্রেসারে আছি আর কি, আমার হেডফোন আছে ভাই, আমি শুনতেছি সবাইকে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, আপনি কি কনভারসেশনের জন্য রেডি?
আমি স্যার একটু 5 মিনিট পর একটা পেশেন্টের ইয়ে করতেছি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, সমস্যা নেই। আপনি হ্যান্ড রেজ করলে বোঝা যাবে আপনি রেডি। ওকে ওকে ওকে। অ্যান্ড সুমি হাসান ম্যাম আছেন, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
Yes.
ওকে ম্যাম, আপনাকে খুঁজছিলাম। সো আর ইউ রেডি ফর দ্য কনভারসেশন?
কোথায় গেছে?
ওকে, সো মিস্টার রাজীব আছেন, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন? ওকে, সো মিস্টার রাজীব অ্যান্ড সুমি হাসান ম্যাম, আপনাদের কনভারসেশনে পালা অ্যাবাউট মেন্টাল হেলথ। শুরু করা যাক।
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. As
Okay.
you know, our topic is mental health.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, what do you
So
think about mental health? Why
okay,
mental health is important in all life?
okay. I think mental health get involved our emotion, depression, as well as our hope. Well, mental health is so important for us because we can't do anything without mind refreshment. So we need always we need to refresh our mind. But when we get involved in depression, we can't refresh our mind. So if we want to get out from overcome our overcome our depression, like we need to go to the psychiatrist, and when they told us we need to do we need to do go or overcome the mental depression, or like depression. So what do you ever what do you think about mental health? Ishumi ma'am.
Okay, okay, it will good. Mental health actually is important, most important in our life. It is linked to physical health. It is it is actually depend all our progress. If our mental health will not perfect healthy, will not be able to proper progress, will not be able to achieve proper progress. A mental health will lead our life actually life properly. uh, Actually it is more important than physical health. Our progress, actually if we want to achieve in our life, we need our brain claim and stress free. uh, uh, then we need to our mental healthy. uh, mm, that's it. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, how is mental health being affected? Actually, in this pandemic, our mental health is becoming stressed, anxious, and we are becoming depressed. And how is
yeah,
mental health being affected by this pandemic? What do you think?
yeah, I think this time so many people are going to depression, like they lose their job. Some people can't work, and for that they can't live without properly. They can't make their family cost. They can't maintain their family cost, as well as their pickpocket money or something like that. So this pandemic situation is more effect, more create more pressure,
More
create to
affected.
going to depression, I think. So whatever thing.
Actually, 2 years ago, society was totally based on socialization. But our society system has become isolation. Isolation means we have to stay one another far away. We have not connected face to face. Actually, people are not connected by face to face. This is the most important, most actually worst thing to become to become socialization, I think. Okay. This process
You
actually
wanna
we
say
are
that?
becoming depressed, huh? Okay. What do
I
you
think
what did you say?
I think socialization is a big issue for us to going to depression. If we want to meet some
Socialization, I think, important to get out to overcome
yeah,
depression.
yeah, I agree with you. I'm
Isolation,
totally agree with you.
isolation,
Yeah,
isolation. Isolation is the main point to become depressed or become our mental health stressed. Isolation, I think people are actually
Shumi ma'am,
yeah. What did you say?
so I want to know about how can we overcome the mental
Oh,
depression, like our mental health.
it's yeah, I got it to point. Actually, we should to overcome from this stressed or depressed. We should exercise. we should meditation, and we should avoid all gadgets, and we should take this lockdown positively, because we actually usually we don't spend time with our family, more time. This lockdown gives us a scope to spend more time with our family. So we think we take this lockdown as a positively, and we have to we have to give time with our give time with our family members. And if we if we if we will face more and mental health problem, we need to contact psychiatrist to overcome this stress. And that's it. How can you overcome this situation?
Okay, ma'am, I agree with you, but I can make a point here that not a pandemic time. I think we always try to share our problem with our family or friends. Like
Yeah.
if we share our feelings about with any other, then this time we feel so relaxed. And I think it's a one way to overcome the depression. And when we get overcome the depression, I think mental health will be good, and we can work properly.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. But lockdown gives us more time to spend with our family.
Yeah, but
That's it.
it will be world will be overcome this pandemic situation, you know.
Actually, we have to
So
maintain. We have to become aware. We have to maintain all health condition, health awareness. That is the main point. Uh, to
I think we need to stop because some time ago, few minutes ago, Pratyay sir reached hand. So we gonna to back to Pratyay sir.
yeah, actually, we accept this pandemic because this pandemic will not go so easily. We have to take it easily. That is the main part. Okay, nice to talk with you. I think we should talk
Yeah,
later. Thank you so much.
with another topic. So,
Okay.
it
We should
was a
give
nice
chance.
conversation with you.
Okay, thank you. We should give chance another participant. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your wonderful conversation. Shubhi ma'am was superb as usual, and Rajiv, Mr. Rajiv, you did also well supporting.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
So,
okay. The thing is that I learned a few new words from Shumi Hassan ma'am. She's quite good at using words. এটা একটা ভালো জিনিস যে ওয়ার্ডকে আমি প্রপারলি ব্যবহার করতে পারছি. There's some important things. So now our conversations are over almost. Hina ma'am, are you available right now? শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
জি জি
Okay,
Yes,
so now it's time that you and me have a conversation about mental health. After a long time, I got the chance to have conversation with one of the members. So, ma'am, how is your day going on?
sir, my days is rush time. I'm actually stomach busy, sir,
Yes, and
with patient.
yes, and thank you for joining in within these busy schedules. So, ma'am, what's the condition in your hospital right now?
Sir, condition is very bad condition, sir. I saw lots of crisis, sir. Lots of people suffered uh, in pandemic reason, sir, because of they can't arrange oxygen, sir. It's a tough time they passed, and I also passed tough time, sir. I saw that, and I really feel very bad, sir, because of all people they are calling continuously, and they are suffering a lot, sir.
Well, the funny thing is that even after hearing this, many people will say that, well, it's just a rumor and something like that. Only the health professionals are crying out loud about this matter, that they are telling that there is a bad situation going outside, but we are not a little bit concerned about it. So that's what
Yes,
bugs me
sir.
the most. So, do you
The,
think our
now
mental
this time,
health
sir.
has become different in this time?
Yes, sir. I feel very bad. Uh,
So, how are you doing
Sir,
mentally?
I'm a
How are you
patient.
doing mentally? Are you stressed, or are you feeling stressed these days?
No, sir, no, sir. I'm not stressed. I am scared about patients, sir, because of every patient they fall in a new symptoms, sir. Every people you guys don't know about the thing because of nowadays which patients suffered in pandemic, they are suffering their breathing problem is very কি বলে sir, অনেক বেশি
Severe,
they can
severe, yes.
severe they are facing severe conditions, sir. Now I just saw a patient which name is Jahangir Alam. His oxygen conditions are 93. Now instantly one person who doctor called me and told me his pulse conditions are 57. It's actually
Dropped.
fluctuate drops, sir.
It's
It's
dropping,
drops, sir.
fluctuating, and I
That
think
is the main, sir.
main
That
issue
is
around
the
that.
main thing how patients suffer, sir. They are suffering this pandemic reason, sir. This thing is a main issue, sir.
Yes, and many people don't understand this kind of situation. So,
Yes, sir.
as we were talking about mental health, so do you think this pandemic changed the people's perspective or mental condition about stress or something like that? Do you believe?
Stress it is also, sir, but they are কি বলে sir অসহায়. At the time they are, sir, অসহায় ইংলিশ ভুলে গেছি স্যার.
আমারও মনে আসছে না, অসহায় কার মনে আছে ইংরেজিটা? অসহায়, অসহায়, অসহায়,
Helpless.
helpless.
Helpless,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Now this time every people helpless who has suffered, sir. And I always request with every people, you have to concern, you have to take hot tea, and also daily you have to take steam 2 or 3 times. It is mandatory every people, sir.
Yes,
Otherwise,
as the situation is changing,
otherwise
we'll have to. We don't have adequate ICU beds for us,
yes, sir.
and
No oxygen, no oxygen facilities. Every hospital said no seat, no seat. It
no
is
seats and no
tough
oxygen.
time, sir.
Yes, and
Yes,
I
sir.
think the reason behind people not noticing or trying to not notice about the severity of the situation right now is that they are they have crossed a point of mental barrier when they are not fearing anything, like they have to leave.
Yes, sir.
There it's kind of like ignoring what's in front of you, like a train is coming and you are closing your eyes and thinking there is no train. This kind of situation is happening due to the extreme stress and pressure, mental pressure. I think people have gone reckless.
Sorry, last 2 days I can't sleep. I can't sleep, sir. I just last night, sir, I just crying, sir. I just saw every people's situation. I just crying, sir.
I think these situations should be videotaped and posted everywhere from the government, because I think people are not understanding the situation. And I see the comments in the social medias, and it makes me think, like, why they are so ignorant about this. Then I thought that people are not getting to eat, or their
Sir,
livelihood is.
they don't know about the information, sir, properly.
Yes, yes.
If they know, sir, this information, they
Yes.
can't think this is how much that situation every people suffer, sir. How much?
Yes, we're already.
It's a critical time,
This is.
sir, we passed.
Yes, we are facing second wave and we are already out of resource. So that's a what is a
Yes, sir.
terrible option, and the second dose is yet to come, and nobody is concerned, because the previous day when I was returning to my home, I saw that most of the shops were opened again after the declaration of the bus opening.
Okay.
Every shop was open until 11 p.m. When I was returning, I saw that. So that's the people are thinking that we are invincible against it, or we are just ignoring. We just have to pass our livelihood because of that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, thank you ma'am for joining me with the conversation, and thanks for the update, and I hope that Allah will make your job easy and will help you pass this situation, and wish you best of luck
Sir,
for your work.
not only me, sir. We should-
Every people in the hospital and everyone who is fighting against the pandemic or the COVID-19. So I hope and
Yes,
pray
sir.
that this bad situation will pass soon, and the effect of on our mental health will be
Yes, sir.
actually be good. Okay, thank you ma'am. Have a nice day. Thanks for having conversation with me.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
ওকে, সো এই ছিল মোটামুটি আজকের অবস্থা। যদিও আপনারা হয়তো অনেকেই জানেন যে আমাদের হেনা ম্যাম আছেন, কোভিড-19 হসপিটালের দায়িত্বে আছেন। সো সিচুয়েশনটা একটু জেনে নিলাম। ওয়েল, আজকের কনভারসেশনটা যথেষ্ট ইন্টারেস্টিং ছিল। এটা আরও ইন্টারেস্টিং করা যাবে, কারণ হচ্ছে কি মেন্টাল হেলথ জিনিসটা অনেক ভ্যাস্ট একটা এরিয়া। আপনারা যদি এটা নিয়ে একটু পড়েন, দেন ইউ উইল বি এবল টু হ্যাভ কনভারসেশন বেটার। তবে হ্যাঁ, মোটামুটি আমরা বেশ কিছু ইস্যুর সাথে পরিচিত, এগুলো নিয়ে আমরা কথা বলতে পেরেছি। দ্য মোর উই রিড,
স্যার আমার মনে হচ্ছে আমরা এটা নিয়ে আরো 2 দিন কনভারসেশন করতে পারবো।
করা যাবে, মাঝে মধ্যে করব।
জানার
হ্যাঁ, মাঝে মধ্যে করব, কিন্তু তার আগে পড়তে হবে। আপনারা যত বেশি পড়বেন তত বেশি বলার মতো জায়গা থাকবে, এবং হ্যাঁ, মুখস্থ করার বিষয়টা না, জানা থাকলো। আমাদের যে জিনিস জানা থাকে আমরা সেটা নিয়ে খুব ইজিলি বলতে পারি। ইয়েস ম্যাম।
অনেক কিছু বলার আছে স্যার, কিন্তু ব্রেন স্ট্রাক হয়ে গেছে স্যার। অনেক কিছু বলার আছে, অনেক পজিটিভ নেগেটিভ অনেক কিছু বলার আছে,
অনেক কিছুই বলার আছে, বাট ওই যে স্ট্রেস চেপে ধরেছে একবারে, অ্যান্ড দ্যাটস অলসো এ পার্ট অফ মেন্টাল হেলথ অ্যাকচুয়ালি। অ্যান্ড সবচেয়ে বড় ইস্যু, হেলথ ইস্যুর চাইতে এখন যেটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট হয়ে গেছে সেটা হচ্ছে মেন্টাল হেলথ ইস্যুটাও। এবং রিসেন্টলি নিউজ পেপারে যেগুলো দেখছি যে প্রবাসী এক ফ্যামিলি টোটালি, মানে টিনেজ দুটো ছেলে, তার পুরো ফ্যামিলিকে ম্যাসাকার করে তারপর সে নিজেই সুইসাইড করেছে, বিকজ দে ওয়ার ইন ডিপ্রেশন। সো দ্যাটস দ্য কন্ডিশন ইজ হ্যাপেনিং অ্যারাউন্ড দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড রাইট নাও, and we all have heard the news, and the thing is not good. Earlier days people were not that much stressed. আগেকার দিনে মানুষ এতটা স্ট্রেস নিত না। We are taking that stress and we are facing this. Anyway, thank you for joining me. যেহেতু আগামীকাল শুক্রবার ছুটির দিন, ইনশাআল্লাহ আপনাদের উইকেন্ডটা ভালো কাটুক, সুস্থ থাকেন, নিরাপদে থাকেন, and hopefully দেখা হচ্ছে শনিবারে। So till then, take care, stay safe and have a nice time.